Ever chopped a mountain of onions for a recipe, only to watch the leftovers go bad in your fridge? Well, today's your lucky day, because I am going to show you the easiest way to freeze onions so they stay fresh for months. Let's get started. Step 1. Choose the right onions. First things first, any onion works, but here's the breakdown. Yellow onions, best for cooking, soups, stews, sauces. Red onions, great for raw dishes, thaw softer, so use in cooked meals. White onions, mild flavor, good for Mexican dishes. Avoid moldy or sprouted onions, freezing would not fix that. Step 2. Prep like a pro. Now, dice or slice your onions based on how you will use them later. Pro tip: wear glasses or chew gum to reduce tears. Want to save time? Pulse them in a food processor, just do not turn them to mush. Step 3. Blanching, optional but helpful. If you plan to keep them frozen for longer than a month, blanching preserves texture and flavor. Here's how. Boil diced onions for 1 to 2 minutes. Plunge into ice water to stop cooking. Drain well, excess moisture equals freezer burn. Step 4. Freezing methods. Now, the 2 best ways to freeze. 1. Flash freeze. For loose onions, spread onions on a tray. Freeze 1 hour, then bag. 2. Portion bags. For recipes, fill bags with 1/2 or 1 cup portions. Squeeze out air, label, and freeze. Step 5. Storage lifespan. Stored right, frozen onions last 6 to 12 months. Keep them in airtight bags, squeeze out air. Freezer-safe containers, leave a little space for expansion. Vacuum-sealed bags, best for long-term. And yes, they will smell up your freezer a tiny bit, worth it. How to use frozen onions, no need to thaw. Just toss them straight into soups, stews, sauces. They will cook down fast. Stir-fries or casseroles add a minute extra cooking time. Meatloaf or burgers mix in frozen for extra flavor. Avoid using thawed onions raw, they get mushy. Now you can kiss onion waste goodbye and always have pre-chopped flavor bombs ready to go. Drop a tear emoji if this saves you future tears, and subscribe for more kitchen hacks. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite recipe with frozen onions?